Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on this 2016 Chevy Malibu, and this is pertaining to clunking noise. Well, I changed out this strut, it still was making a noise. I changed out this knuckle, this whole knuckle, because they said it was the bushing down here. This bushing. I changed the whole knuckle out. It still was making a noise. So I just was getting aggravated with it, and just wanted to just find out the noise. And I think I found it, which is, well, I know I have. It's this sway bar link right here. This sway bar link is loose. It gets loose. See, and then it's just spinning on the backside. So it means it's loose. You know, I just wanted to make a quick video to show people, because I see a lot of people having trouble with this. It's either this bushing or the sway bar link bushing or the one over there on the other side. But sometimes it just needs to be tightened up or just taken off. But yeah, if you still hear clunking noise when you have changed the shock in that knuckle or that bushing down there, and it sounds like lumber or something in your truck, just try changing that out or taking it off and driving it and see if that's the problem. Thank you. I just wanted to